Okay, on this video I'm going to show you how to throw a grenade. So he's going to pick up the grenade. It says enter to use the grenade. Press enter. And he throws the grenade. So there's some glitches there that you probably noticed, but for the most part, it's all there. So this basically what I did was I just took out the crystal. The guy had a crystal in his hand, and then it would basically get rid of the purple smoke. But I don't have the purple smoke in the game, so I just replaced that crystal with the grenade. So you have a message here that says enter to use grenade. You can't see it really because it's all in white, but that's what it says. And I just replaced that with what the crystal message said. It said press enter to use the crystal on the purple smoke. So I just got rid of the crystal message and replaced it with the grenade. So it's just called object message 3. You have a create, and after alarm happens here, after 100 seconds, it's going to basically get rid of the message and destroy it. When you collect the grenade, the message will pop up saying press enter to use the crystal. Use the grenade. And then this text right here for the draw event is the position of where it's going to be located on screen. Depth -100. Make sure it's in front of the character. Then this object hand with crystal, I should have renamed that. It should say like hand without bomb, but what is happening here is his hand's gonna be lowered after he throws the bomb, pretty much. Image speed 1, index 0, so it's gonna have speed 1 because you want to make sure that the hand goes down. If you have it at 0, it's gonna stay at the be stuck at the image where it's not gonna move. It'll stay right here. So you have to have a 1 there so it animates. Then after 3 milliseconds, it's going to not play the sound, and it's going to switch back to the knife. Say yes, and then you're going to be able to use your keyboard again, and then this information here is just drawing and projecting the hand on screen. So this information should say hand without crystal, or hand without bomb anymore. But like I said, I didn't change that because it's not really necessary at the moment, you know what I'm saying. But you could change this. So I could change this right here to edit this and just say hand without bomb, and then copy that sprint, because now the code's not going to work. You have to go in. I broke the code, so I have to go in the draw event and change this to the correct name, hand without bomb. So now it's going to work. Then you have the object bomb, which shows the animation of him throwing the grenade and then blowing up. Alright, and do a create, and this is the speed of how much is going to animate, how fast it's going to animate. Then all this information right here is talking about if it hits the wall, or if it hits the monster, or if it hits the plant or the barrel, it's gonna do something. So this information right here is basically the same as when you fire your weapon and you're at a distance. You throw it, and then it's going to wait so many seconds, and then it's going to hit the character, or it's going to hit the plant or the barrel. That's what's happening here. And then alarm one's going to kick in at 25 seconds, and then it's going to play the explosion sound. So I'm assuming, okay, he's going to throw it. You got to kind of like think how far it's going to get away until how much animation he's going to, the speed on the animation, how fast or how slow it's going to go, and then okay, it's going to reach the monster in like 3.5 seconds or something, and then you're going to play the explosion sound. So it happens right on impact for the most part. You don't want it to blow up. You don't want to make the sound at the beginning when you're throwing it. You want to wait until it shows that smoke, then do the explosion. So I do it so many seconds, and then it's going to do the explosion, and then it's going to show the hand being gone. So it's going to show the animation of him throwing the bomb, and then it's going to show the animation of the hand gone. And so I should have changed that to hand bomb gone here. It's somewhere in here. Yeah, I didn't change everything. Like I should have changed this information right here for him to move and walk with the bomb in his hand. I'll try to when I finish this. I did this kind of spare a minute. I want to get it up there for you guys. But like I said, I've already talked about this in my previous videos. I'm basically just taking the crystal image, all the crystal images, and replacing it with the bomb. That's all I'm pretty much doing. So there's nothing new I'm talking about pretty much. I've already talked about this in my previous videos. I'm just going to replace this crystal image with the bomb, and I could potentially start from scratch and make a new image for the bomb and all that stuff, but I didn't want to go and do all that. I just wanted to replace the crystal because I didn't have the smoke effect in there in the game, so I just said, okay, I'll just go ahead and replace the crystal with the bomb, make it a little bit easier on myself. So like I said, with all this stuff right here, all these images here of the crystal going down and up because he's walking, I just replace that with the bomb instead, with in the hand, and then when he's walking with the bomb instead of walking with the crystal. So like I said, I'll try to update all that information when I put it up there on YouTube, but I just want to do this video real quick. And like I said, there's nothing new here. I've already talked about this before, so this is like a repeat. I'm just gonna replace these images with the bomb when he's walking, and I didn't do that there. I thought I did, but I didn't. And then yeah, when you first start the game, you have a blue box. There's nothing in there. So on screen you have a blue box with nothing in it, and you're gonna, when you collect the item, when the character collides with the item, see, it's gonna be in this pink box right here. Player collides with the item. It's going to play the sound. It's going to show the object bomb box 500 by 250. That's the position of the box, and that's going to be, it's going to pretty much add that image on top, which is this image right here. It's going to show the bomb or the grenade. This caption information, I just didn't want to show the score on the top of my board here, so I just make sure to say don't show. and it's going to draw it on screen, the bomb box at that position. When I press enter, it's going to do the speed of the animation, and then when I don't have any more bombs left, it's going to go back to the hand. So when this is like bomb up, so when I press enter, it's moving my hand up to show the bomb. So it's going to switch the knife I had with the bomb going up. So, but if you think about it, he's going to, yeah, that's what's going to happen. So, and then if he has the gun, first gun, it's going to switch the gun to the bomb up. It's going to move the bomb up so you can see it on screen. Same thing with gun 2, move the bomb up. And then when you throw the bomb, you're going to have one less bomb, because I think you collect 3, and it's going to subtract 1, so you're going to have 2 left. And then when you have none left, when it's smaller than 0, it's going to switch the bomb box to being empty, which is the outline box I just showed. Say yes, and then this information right here should be bomb, so it's going to make it visible. And I'm trying to think, it should probably also have, well, that's all I need pretty much. I think I need to have the knife come back, but I think I'm okay. Yeah, so when you press enter, it's going to subtract 1 pretty much, or give you 1. It's going to give you 1. That's what's going to happen until you press enter, then it's going to subtract 1. So you destroy the message after you collect it, because it's going to show that message saying press enter to use bomb. It's going to display it first, and then it's going to destroy it after so many seconds. Destroy message 2, these are all the other messages. So if these other messages pop up, like when you collect the gun, the first message will pop up, and then all of a sudden if you collect the grenade at the same time, they'll destroy that message, the first message, which is the gun message, and display the just one message at a time, so you don't have overlap. And then, like I said, text with bomb, so it's going to show the bomb when you throw it. Well, actually, the text with bomb is the display item. It's going to animate. So this is before you collect it. So yeah, so when the pink box here, these pink boxes represent the bomb, the grenade. So it's going to display this image right here. That's what it's talking about. So it's going to display the grenade before you collect it. That's what that text bomb is at these percentages. And then it's going to animate at 0.1 image speed. So this is how fast it's going to blink. So it might blink faster here. See how fast it's blinking there. But then when you put that var in there, that var code, it's going to blink slower with that 0.1. If I put 0.6, it's going to go faster, I believe. Or if you put just 10 in there or 5, it's going to go faster. It's going to mess with the percentage there. That way you can have less images to animate. And then just slow it down using the set var. That's what's happening here. And then this blue box is also in the second room. Outline box until you collect it. When you collect the pink box, it switches this outline box to the grenade. then you're able to press enter and use the grenade. And like I said, there's a counter on that, but you can't, it's invisible. Just like when I had with the crystal, when you collect the crystal, you only have like a couple, but I don't have a counter for it visually to see. It says it's in the code and it's not seen. Alright, and so that's how you do the bomb. And like I said, there's a couple glitches in it that you may have noticed on the video there, like it shows the bomb image after he dies or something. Oh, I can't do it anymore. But like I said, I'll try to fix those glitches real quick when I upload it. And thanks for watching.